Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in a series. Well, getting ready to run the Corona Express with the camera on it. Never done this before, so I just thought I'd do a quick video. Alright, just playing with the camera. I'm going to move this back a couple of cars, I think. I don't know if it's going to make any great amount of difference, but I'll put it back here by the caboose. As I said, it's a novel video when you first start running it, and then they just get kind of boring after a while. Alright, let's see how this goes. The Corona Express. So, it works. What I'm going to do with it, I have no idea. Anyway, just another experiment. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.